It's TBO back with another video. This is the engine covers for those two and for that one right there. So let's get to it, straight to it, no more talking. Straight to it, boy. All these videos is about. Please subscribe and like for more. Straight to it, boy. I don't know how hard these will be. They shouldn't be too hard. The screws on. Yeah, we got engine covers all from AliExpress. I think this is for the other side. No. Oh, this one's for this. Is it? Oh, this is for the other side. Oh, that's the other side. This is for. Oh, y'all like that? Oh, I'm mad. For. Let's do this side. Since there's just one side. I believe you gotta take 1, 2. You gotta take a couple of these out. Oh. Hell, man. Bingo. So 1, 2. Oh, I gotta take off the. Damn. Question is, do I? 1, 2. Damn, I might have to take this bitch off. Damn. This. Oh, this is probably one piece. I think. Oh, you got to remove this. Oh, it looks like it detaches from. I don't want to break it though. We should be good. Let's see. 1, 2. So we're not taking this frame off. I'm not. Should look good to me. See, we don't have to take the frame off. It came with a little, I don't know what this is. I ain't mind really. On to the Knicks. I ain't taking this fairing off. I think I might have to though. Fuck, I ain't trying to. Unless these right here and then pop it open. That would do. Oh. Let's do that one first. So I'll put that bit upside down. Huh? Dang, all three of these sheets gotta go. Small. Damn. I don't know how to take this piece off, so you do gotta take this piece off right here. So I figured out how to take it off, take these screws off without taking the fairing off. I came up with this little gadget. So it's a small ratchet with a 1/4 and then the right size. So the size is 2S5 that goes inside this boat. And YouTube was definitely no help. And then all you gotta do is just twist. Since it's too light to really use the ratchet to twist, it's better to do it with your fingers. I ain't gonna lie. Dang, I can't even see. My bad, y'all. My bad. Bingo. Now we get the small one. Those it right here. These the ones that came for the take big one. Let's do the bottom one first. You gotta bend this fairing all the way back to get your fucking fingers in here. If you got big hands, man, I'm sorry to tell you, but bingo. That one is all set. Hopefully this shit didn't die. It's still running. So all we got is that one, and we should be fucking straight. I'll put all the parts in the description below. That'll be the end of the video, man. I made it hard, let's say that. These are easy to install. I just made it difficult for myself, basically.